feel me like I'm doing a keynote with a podium on the stage. A fantastic presentation, I must say, Aaron. Thank you for coming to our summit despite your birthday, which you're supposed to be with your friends and families. So really appreciate that. Mahalo. Mac, fantastic insight on the aviation data, which is very, very important for us to know. I think despite the fact that we are getting to the final few hours before we end the session, I'm so happy to see that still we have a lot of crowds in the ballroom, but also there's a lot of activities, a lot of meetings that I can see happening outside of the ballroom that is equally important. I'm here to really to inform you that we are taking a few initiatives, and at this particular summit, it is significant for us to inform you that PATA is launching 2 new products for our members, which we hope that will provide better benefits and better engagement with all of you, whether you're coming from the government sector or from the private sector. We are now launching what we call the new version of PATA Empower, which I'm sure that a lot of you some of you are familiar of, but this new platform that we use, Power BI, is much more intuitive, much more improved performance in terms of reliability, better user experience, and you can also download all this report that you're working on. You basically can choose what you want and how you want it in terms of the different geographical region, different destinations that you're coming from. Not only the international visitors' arrival to your destination, but also the forecast that coming forward through our partnership with Hong Kong Poly. And I think another area that is very important is we have a partner. Other than the inbound data, we also have the source market data, which is something new that PATA have not provided in the past. But we also have aviation data that Mac has mentioned a few moments ago, whereby this is, I think, is very, very important insight as our official partner for this. Moving forward, we definitely explore with a few more other partnerships. So this launch is with 5 key different products at the moment, but in future, definitely we are looking at more data point, more data set that the members can benefit, in particular when you are looking for your inbound and a source market for you to work with across the board. Of course, you can scan the QR code for you to get into the data. And then in this new platform, this is just one of the sneak peek to the particular dashboard. Empower includes monthly international visitors arrival, visitor profile data, visitors expenditure, monthly schedule, inbound flight frequency, and especially forecast for the next 12 months horizon, and also the source market that I mentioned earlier. So this is very, very important for all of you to get. PATA members will be granted access to the platform based on their membership tier for the moment. We invite you to try to log in your PATA Info Hub if you have not done so. And if you are not able to even log into your member section, please contact our member team who will assist you. And we will welcome any suggestions and any other organizations to collaborate with us in future. And secondly, I would like also to launch this PATA Micro Credential Program. While PATA has been doing quite a number of in-destination training for our members in different parts of the APAC region, from today onwards, we will have 2 micro-credential that we are partnering EarthCheck and Sigmund. This is something new that not only be able to access by members, but also by non-members. So I hope that you can benefit from this. And why this micro-credential really matters, because this is something that we are giving back to all the industry at large and the members, so that they can be part of the capacity building, part of the advancement in the industry. So again, this is the quick information for all of you, the 2 new products that we are launching for members for your benefit. The PATA Empower and the newest version, as well as the micro-credential. Please contact me or any of our member team or any PATA team members so that we can provide you with more information on these 2 programs. On that note, back to you, Jonathan. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, Noor.